It's 8:19 in the morning and I am ready for some coffee. Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to my vlogs. I just let the dogs out for the morning. I gave them their breakfast and I made myself some coffee. Today my mug says, "You've cat to be kitten me, right meow," with a little cat that goes. And I did order glass straws off of Amazon, so many of you guys didn't like that I was using plastic straws. So you recommended that I get some stainless steel or glass ones. I did a little research and it says glass is best if you're gonna be drinking it with hot drinks because the stainless steel heats up pretty quickly. So I ordered those and I just wanted to thank all of you for your recommendations on that. I feel like I'm, doing a little bit of my part in the world, so I'll link those down below. So I wanted to talk to you guys super quick about my moving vlogs and this vlog and like how things are gonna go moving forward with my moving. But I gotta do it kind of quick because I have about an hour and a half before a surprise guest gets here and I wanna be able to like shower and get myself put together and stuff. So I am going to show you guys what I've done so far unpacking, and I have been filming the unpacking and moving process. So I think I'm gonna put that into its own video, maybe even 2 videos, depending on how much footage I actually like, because a lot of the stuff I filmed was just me like pulling things out of boxes and like putting them in the closet or something. So I'll have to really go through and decide like what I wanna do for that, but I didn't wanna hold up starting these vlogs just because I was like, trying to figure out what I was doing with the moving vlogs, and just the act of moving in itself has taken up a lot of my time, and like the actual packing and then unpacking and organizing and all that stuff has just like taken up the majority of my days. So I don't have that much time right now to edit and upload it, but I feel like I've gotten my place to a place that it feels more like a home. I'm really enjoying it. The downstairs is pretty much done, but the upstairs still has a little ways to go. So I think I'm gonna edit all of like the moving vlogs into like one big video. I think that's how I'm gonna do it, but I thought I was going to daily vlog it in the sense of like vlogging every single day as I was moving, but it was just too much to like edit and upload that while I was trying to move and all that stuff. Also, super quick update on Teddy. He has gained some weight back. He is my dog that is in kidney failure, and I've talked to you guys a lot about his journey through being diagnosed, and then he lost a lot of weight and he was really lethargic. He's still very like lethargic. He's a tired doggy and he just wants to lay there the majority of the time, but he has gained some weight. We switched his food again, which I didn't really like the idea of switching his food so much in such a short amount of time, especially because he has a pretty sensitive stomach. So like I'm the one who has to deal with the mess. But luckily this food switch was very good and he has been loving it, eating it all, and putting a little bit of weight back on. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I have you stuck in like a vase. Like I stuck the tripod down in that hole and that's where you guys were just sitting. So I am going to show you what I've done so far. So I hung up some artwork over here. These pieces are not going to stay there, the artwork. I kind of don't know what I want to put there. I thought maybe I would do a gallery wall, but I can't even really fit like 3 larger pieces. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I need to figure out where to put my letterfolk board that I brought from the office because I thought it would be really cute on this wall, but it's the exact same width as this wall and it looks weird not having like any space in between. Anyways, okay, I'm rambling. Let me just show you guys the place. So there's the kitchen, there's the dog, there's another little dog. I have my bar card over here. This is a box of Donate. And this is what the main downstairs looks like. I did put some decor up on the walls. I got some curtains hung. I have other curtain panels coming for here for like the outside. They're actually this fabric, the same fabric as this pillow. They're the dusty blush ones from West Elm. So I have those coming to be like the actual curtain panels because these are just sheers, and then I can take off these temporary like privacy things. Over here, I went ahead and put my bar cart. I still need to kind of like organize it and finish decorating and stuff. But like I said, I have some video of me like unpacking all of this, and I just need to go through all the footage. So I thought I wanted a round dining table to go here, and I had a rectangular one that I sold. And then when I got in this space, I was like, wow, a rectangular one really would have worked. But I had already ordered the round one and sold my rectangular one. So I do have a round dining table and 4 chairs coming, so I'm excited about that. Their little bed like hangs over the edge right here, but I can't think of a better place to put it. I don't know. So this is the unpacking I've done so far, and little teddy bear, hi. How do you feel right now? Look how plump he is. He's definitely gained some weight. Mochi says, play with me. You wanna play with him? Oh, you're so cute and responsive right now. Why are you shaking? Aww. His ears aren't cold. His head isn't cold. Your butt's not cold. You're gonna be okay. You're perfect, don't ever change. All right, I got my coffee. Let's go get this shower show on the road. Come on, boys. Come on. Good boys. Teddy says, I'll go with my mama. Oh, and I hung up my little deer head above the door right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my shower, get myself presentable and ready, and then I will talk to you guys when, woo, talk about not knowing how to adjust exposure. I will talk to you guys when I'm not naked anymore. All right guys, so I did a super quick get ready. I'm wearing a cozy outfit, just like this half sleeve gray shirt from Topshop, and then a little flannel around my waist and some jeans and slippers. And I've been doing my makeup like this lately. It's a toned down version of my everyday makeup look, just because I've been moving and organizing, and I don't really need to be like doing full makeup in the morning. But when I wake up and I take a shower and do my makeup, I just feel like my day starts off better and I'm more productive throughout the day. So I went ahead and just threw a little makeup on, and no liner, no lashes, just kind of like a quick look. So if you guys want to see a tutorial on this, I can do it, but it's also like so simple that I don't know if anyone would want to see this. I didn't do anything with my hair today. I just blow dried it. So I do need to get it cut because it's getting really long and the ends are pretty dead. The deads are ends. So, okay, I think Shara is here. I am so excited right now. Okay, you guys have no idea what is happening. All right, guys, I'm here with Shara and Elena. She has a YouTube channel called Live Your Style, which I'm obsessed with. If you guys have not seen it, I'm gonna link it down below. But like organization, motivation times 1 billion. Yes. I watch your videos when I like need to get up and stop watching Netflix on the couch and like actually do something. I watch them and then it makes me wanna do it. So we are doing a fun little collab. She is actually going to help design and decorate and everything for my beauty and filming room. Oh, so excited. They came over today and they're checking out the room. Yeah, before I get like the storage for the product, I can't really unpack it. So it's like just boxes and stuff. So we're trying to figure out what to do, but if you guys have anything you want to see in that room, let us know. I love it. Well, you guys, we're so excited. I am so freaking excited. So we're gonna have some fun. I'll keep updating you guys on what we're gonna do. Should it be like a surprise reveal, or should we show them the process? Or do we wait and show them the process after the surprise reveal? I kind of like that. Okay. Or maybe we'll show them like sneak peeks, but we won't show them like the renderings of what we're gonna do. Okay. We'll like get y'all excited, but I'm like holding this camera super wrong. I'm just like, yeah, what did you say? It's just like on me. That's all that matters. Not really. No, not really. They get to see this a lot. We are stoked. It's gonna be super fun. Yeah. They're gonna run out to another meeting. Yeah. I'm not. Okay, I'm gonna let them go. I'm rambling, but you guys will be updated very soon. All right, guys, it is about 6 o'clock right now. Oh, it is 6:40, and I just got done doing some work for Glitzy Glam. If you guys know, it is a shop that I own online with my mom and my sister, and I don't really film when I'm doing that just because I'm like focused in work and just a lot of things. So I wanted to show you guys now that I'm back and like in the home zone. I almost just fell backwards on my stairs. I wanted to show you guys the room that I was talking to Shara about, and I just need to warn you, it's messy and like not unpacked, and what is unpacked is messy. Like, I'm kind of embarrassed even to show it to you guys. It's kind of hard to walk in here, but I do want you to see what we're starting with. My laundry just finished drying, so excuse that. But I went ahead and turned on the ring light because the overhead light isn't that bright. Okay, so we got a Mochi. This is the room. And this is where a lot of furniture and like artwork and stuff that I didn't know where I wanted it to go in the house kind of was put in this room, because I knew that this was probably going to be the last room that I really tackled. So I have the green sofa here that I think we're switching out, and then I have my desk that I think we're keeping. I don't know, I think we might be getting rid of this, or maybe I could put it in my closet. Don't know exactly what we're gonna do yet. I do have my dress form here, but this is the room that we are talking about. So I have just like boxes everywhere, tons of filming equipment, a bag of trash that I've just been like putting packing paper and stuff like that in as I've been unpacking some of the boxes, and tons of product. And I have more boxes downstairs and in my bedroom that I haven't unpacked that are mainly product. I've pretty much unpacked everything that isn't either product, or I think I have like 3 boxes left to go in my closet, but I'm gonna have to purge my closet before I unpack that because I ran out of room in my closet. And I've decided I'm only keeping what fits in the closet, because it is a large closet and I know that I don't wear that many clothes, and someone else that I donate it to will be more happy with them and they'll get more use. So that box over there, Mochi knows exactly what it is. So this is a box of boys stuff. So, well, for the boys. So I have like their pink fire hydrant in there and some more toys that didn't fit in the bin downstairs. And I have these that I thought I was gonna do at Vlogmas and straight up forgot. I bought these to do both Teddy and Mochi, and then when I forgot, I was like, oh, I'll do it next Christmas. But now with Teddy sick, I might go ahead and do it just so I have it. I know that's like morbid to think about. If Teddy doesn't make it to this coming Christmas, I'm gonna want a little ornament of his little paw. So I might go ahead and do that. So this is the view from this side of the room. I got my washer dryer out there. That's the door to my bedroom. And then there's another bathroom over there, a closet. It's a pretty decent sized closet too. So I feel like I can fit a lot of stuff in there. Right now it's full of more boxes of product. So what we're gonna do with this room is utilize it for a lot of product storage, have a good filming setup for me, and then that's pretty much it. By the way, I ordered this on Amazon, you guys. If you don't have a pet genie and you have a yard, I definitely recommend it, because picking up the poop every day and then walking it to the outdoor trash can, for me, it's pretty far. I mean, not crazy, but like, I don't want to do it every day. So I got a pet genie, which is like a diaper genie, but for dog poop, literally. And they also have one for cats to like scoop the litter. So I just put it in the pet genie and I never have to see it or smell it or anything like that. What you doing? Teddy's over there like, I mean, I'm here in case like you need me, but I'm also like not really exploring. You can get in here. Mochi, you are such a little. Did the air just come on? I don't think I have the air on. Maybe it's the heat. I don't know. I don't know what I've been told. And then my 2 poofs, I don't know if I want to use these downstairs or if I'm gonna use them possibly in here, or they would go with my bedroom. There are like tons of places that I can use these 2 poofs, so I don't know exactly where I'm gonna put it yet. My foundation's getting a little greasy. I tried this new Bare Minerals foundation today, and here, this is like kind of facing a window so you guys can see in better lighting. I think it looks good, but I don't know if you guys can see, it's like breaking up a little bit around here and around my nose, but that always happens pretty much with like all foundations almost. Mochi's mad that I'm leaving that room without getting him a toy out of the box. What do you want? You want something out of that box? Yeah? Oh, you want it out of this box? Why don't we get you this toy? Oh, this is Teddy's birthday toy. Mochi has his toy, he's much happier, and I am very hungry. I have been for a couple hours, so I want to change into some comfy PJs before I cook myself some dinner. Am I the only one that does that? When I'm done with like my day, I feel like I wanna go ahead and get into my PJs, even if it's like 6, 7 o'clock, even if it's not technically nighttime. I did want to show you guys this clock because if it's ever in my vlogs behind me and you guys see it, you would be like, why is she always filming at 5 o'clock? I actually took the batteries out of it because it was ticking very loudly and it annoyed me. So I took the batteries out and then I had to choose just like a normal time for it to stay on. So I'm really just using it as decor. It's not like a functional clock because it was so freaking loud. But I decided to make it 5 o'clock because they say it's always 5 o'clock somewhere, and that way I can't like judge myself if I want to have a glass of wine at like 4 o'clock, right? Yeah. Now it's finally time to make some dinner, and I have been excited for this meal all day. I have talked to y'all about HelloFresh before, and I would like to thank them for being awesome partners and sponsors. They even asked if they could send a box to my new house to help me get started cooking in my new kitchen without me having to go to the grocery store and get all the ingredients. So I was spending the whole day unpacking and organizing, and this was really great to have. So if you are moving or know someone who is, this is an amazing housewarming gift, just saying. So tonight I'm making carbonara style penne. I don't eat pasta too often, but when I saw this on the options list for this week's menu, I was like, yes please, I want that in my belly now. HelloFresh offers a wide variety of chef-curated recipes that change weekly, and you won't spend all night in the kitchen because recipes typically only take around 30 minutes. There are 3 plans to choose from: the classic, veggie, and family. I get the classic, just so you know. All ingredients come in handy-dandy meal kits, so you know which ingredients go with which recipes. Enjoy not having to plan dinner, spending money on takeout for an easy night, or worry about gathering ingredients week after week. For $30 off your first week of deliveries, visit HelloFresh.com and enter Blair Fowler 30. You guys, this pasta was so good. I ate half of it and then I saved the other half for lunch or dinner tomorrow. I don't know yet, probably lunch because I won't be able to wait any longer to eat this again because it's so delicious. So I actually took my dinner to the sofa and I've been binging Nate and Jeremiah by Design. So I watched an episode of that while I ate and just had a chill, relaxing evening. All right, so I am in bed. I still need to wash my face and brush my teeth and all of that. You guys can see I got this new headboard because there is a weird window right behind this that goes up to 80 inches tall, and it's super skinny and not centered, and it makes no sense to be behind a bed. So I thought about if I wanted to try to cover it with artwork or what I wanted to do, but then I found this 84-inch headboard on Overstock. So here, I'll see if I can show you guys a little better. So this is the headboard. It is 84 inches tall. The only headboards I could find that were that tall were from like Restoration Hardware, and they were like $5,000. Or this one that I found for $500 or $600 on Overstock.com, and then I had a 15% off coupon. So I like it. It's just the headboard, and then I just have like a normal bed frame on it, but it does the job. It covers the weird window, and I think it's really pretty. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you tap that bell and subscribe. You will never miss a vlog if you're notified. And Mochi, Teddy, and I are excited to be vlogging again, and we will see you guys in the next video. If you do have a question of the vlog that you want me to answer, then go ahead and leave that down in the comments. Just put like QOTV so I know it's like a question that you want answered in the vlog, or you can tweet it to me, Instagram, Snapchat, you know, all that good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.